Welcome to newcryptocoin.com. Just want to bring you guys some news. The Chicago Board Options Exchange urges the SEC to move forward with Bitcoin ETFs. Guys, subscribe to our channel, New Crypto Coin. Thank you for following. New Crypto Coin on Instagram, New Crypto Coin on YouTube, New Crypto Coin on Twitter. Yeah, I want to bring this to you guys because it's important to me because this could be another injection of cash into the crypto market. The Cboe is the Chicago Board of Exchanges. They encourage SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission, to allow Bitcoin ETFs. The commission should not stand in the way of such ETPs coming to market, given the Cboe arguments for addressing the SEC concerns. The derivative exchange said Friday in a letter to the SEC published online Monday. So the Cboe Global Markets was the first to launch Bitcoin futures, would like the Securities and Exchange Commission to allow cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds. The Cboe encourages the Commission to approach cryptocurrency ETP exchange-traded products holistically and from the same perspective that it has historically approached commodity-related ETPs. The Commission should not stand in the way of such ETPs coming to market. The SEC did not immediately respond to the CNBC request Tuesday for a comment on the letter. Separately, the Commission said Friday it would begin the process of determining whether it would allow the NYSE Arca to list two pro-share funds tracking Bitcoin futures. In January's Dahlia Bass, director of SEC Division of Investment Management, pushed back against numerous applications for Bitcoin-related ETFs. In a letter to two U.S. trade groups, Bass said the products have yet to address issues such as extreme price volatility in cryptocurrencies and liquidity in related funds. Friday's letter from Cboe President and CCO Chris Cannon was written to Bass in response to her letter. While the Cboe shares many of the same concerns raised in the staff letter, we believe that the vast majority of these concerns can be addressed within the existing framework for commodity-related funds related to valuation, liquidation, custody, arbitrage, and manipulation. He said that Cboe expects traded volumes in Bitcoin futures markets to soon reach levels comparable to those of other commodity futures products at the time that they were included in the ETPs. Kokanen added that Cboe has undertaken significant measures to detect and prevent manipulation in the Bitcoin future market. Cboe became the first major exchange to launch Bitcoin futures on December 10th and applied later that month with the SEC to list 6 Bitcoin-related exchange-traded funds. CME, the world's largest futures exchange, launched Bitcoin futures 1 week after Cboe, spurring expectations that more institutional investors would buy into the trend of soaring interest in cryptocurrencies. However, trading volume in the two Bitcoin futures remains relatively light. Futures Commission merchants also have limited client access to the products, while Bitcoin itself has lost more than half its value since the December launch of the futures contracts. I'm going to read that again. However, trading volume in the two Bitcoin futures remains relatively light. Futures Commission's merchants also have limited client access to the products, while Bitcoin itself has lost more than half its value since the December launch of the futures contracts. Very interesting. So I think this could be the key to, like we said before, getting more institutional money into crypto. And it's going to be interesting to see how the SEC responds to the letter from the Chicago Board, the Options Board. It's going to be interesting to see what the SEC says, and I think we'll hear that. And once we get the SEC exchange at the SEC to what their response is, that could have a big effect on what will happen. So it's just interesting. But yeah, this is definitely on all the major sites. CNBC, I think CoinDesk had an article on it as well. So it's just something to look for. Another sign that Bitcoin is getting more accepted, and that more money could be coming soon. But it's another sign that Bitcoin is getting accepted more mainstream, which is good. As cryptocurrencies get more mainstream, that's good. Also, another sign I saw earlier today that BitHub Exchange to bring crypto payments to 8K South Korean merchants by 2019. That's big. I mean, so that could be good for Icon, which is a South Korea type Ethereum type product. So As more crypto gets into the hands of the people, and South Korea is actually really advanced on crypto. They're probably the country that uses crypto the most. Actually, they're really advanced on crypto. So if they're going to have 8,000 South Korean merchants, taking crypto for payments, that would be amazing. As people use crypto, the value will increase. So that'll be interesting to see what they do there in Korea with crypto. But yeah, so as crypto goes more mainstream, more value is created. I think that is going to be interesting to see. So we'll see what the SEC says. But the Chicago Board of Options Exchange urges the SEC to move forward with Bitcoin ETFs. That's big. Guys, thank you for watching New Crypto Coin. Thank you for your support. Have a good evening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, New Crypto Coin. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching.